Hey everyone, Rod Egan here with Worldwide Auctioneers. I wanted to talk to you about a great car we're going to be selling here in Scottsdale, January 26th. Not just a great car that we're going to be selling, but a great car, period. In the career field I've chosen, I often get asked, hey Rod, what's your favorite collector car? Well, like many of you, it's hard to pick just one, but every single time the 300 SL is brought up as one of my favorites, highly engineered and way better than most of the cars that were ever built in the period. The other thing I like about this, probably most of all, is regardless of where you stand, when you look at this car, it is absolutely stunning from every single angle. That's an attribute that very few cars share with it in the entire world. All the cars built ever. It's amazing. This particular car has a fantastic story, a wonderful history. It's been in the hands of several influential collectors, Pebble Beach judges, CCCA master judges. And as you can see, the car looks phenomenal, and it is. How do you get a car to look so good? Well, it takes a ton of money, always, time, effort, and most of all, attention to detail, really caring about the finished product. And that all went into this car. The hardest color everybody knows to make perfect is black. And this car, no matter where you look at it on the exterior, is as close to perfect as it really gets. So I know this car was taken down to bare metal for a complete respray. The interior was done. Everything has been done on this car. Mechanically, the entire engine was torn apart, rebuilt, put back together, and the car runs phenomenal. I've had the pleasure of driving this and other great 300 SL Roadsters. This car handles well, it accelerates well, it brakes well, it turns well, and I only took it out for probably about a 10 or 15 mile drive. If it was mine, I'd probably still be in it. I love these cars, I think you will too. These cars are phenomenal cars, world-class cars, and this one is going to be sold in Scottsdale, January 26th. Hope to see you there.